Hey guys, let's fire up the pizza oven. Come in. Look at my beauty. First I'm gonna clean out the ashes from yesterday. Still hot inside from yesterday. You know you've got a good oven when it stays hot for a long time. This is my latest pizza oven I built. I finished it about 2 months ago. I'm just so excited to try it out again. Anything I cook in here is just next level delicious. When you have a good functioning pizza oven, you don't end up with much ashes. That's all I have from yesterday's cooking. Now it's clean, let's chop some kindling. I only use the best, well-seasoned hardwood. Nothing is wasted in my workshop. This is excellent stuff to light a fire. Let's put a bit of wood shaving and kindling on top. Don't ever use pine in your pizza oven. It burns at too low temperatures and you will end up with bad flavors and aromas. Let's light up these old builds. Well-seasoned wood will light up very easily. You won't hear that sizzling sound. There's no moisture in that. I'm using oak, walnut and ash today. All excellent choices. Chop your logs smaller than you would do for your wood burner. You will end up with a better fire. Important points. Build up your fire gradually. Move your fire around in your oven. First you will have soot on the walls. Once that burnt off, your oven is getting ready for cooking. So I built up a good core fire now. Started from the back, in the middle, and gradually increased to that side. I will be moving the fire now around the oven to the left and to the right to heat up the walls evenly. Once that burned down a little bit more and I have enough amber, I will be using that amber for my core fire when I'm baking. So this is what you want to see, guys. Look, the flames are going up alongside the walls, turning around in the oven before they go out through the chimney. You know you've got a good pizza oven when you see that. It's been about 3 hours, the oven is up to temperature, but I started off with a warm oven already. I've been moving the fire inside of the oven. I'm getting ready for cooking now, so I will move the fire to the other side. You can see little sparks on the floor. It's piping hot. So I've got my special tool to clean out the bottom of the oven. You want to get rid of the ash or any dirt down there. So I've got a cotton rug wrapped around a piece of wood. It's 100% cotton, you don't want any plastic to burn on your oven. You dip it in water, it just needs to be reasonably wet, but not dripping wet. All you need is a quick swipe. The wet rug will draw up all the dirt from the bottom. It's nice and clean. You don't want that on your pizza. Just before cooking, I preheat a piece of log. The reason I'm doing this, because you will need the flames to wrap around your oven to cook the pizza perfectly. You get flames instantly this way. That's what you want. Let's start baking those pizzas. Whoa! Whoa! Look at that, guys. Smells amazing. Look at that, guys. Look at that.